Well, so many people believe it is over. Yes, so many people believe it's over. If you go to Twitter right now, so many people have been saying that the Luna Classic, it will be difficult for Luna to even hit $1 billion market cap. A lot of people believe that even before, from now to the end of this year, that Luna will find it difficult to reach $1 billion market cap. And some believe that it is totally over for Luna Classic coin. And for me, I still believe that with the way this coin is really going, I think I started believing, if you ask me, I would say it is over for me, for Luna Classic. The coin, so many things have been done, even with the burning, even with the support, even with the network upgrade. I mean, nothing is changing. Binance have been giving all their best to see that everything changed for good, but yet the story still remains the same. The story still remains the same. For the past 3 months, Luna have not really been going well. I just logged into my account, the account that I didn't want to log into. I plan to leave this account for a very long period of time. I decided to check. That was the first place I bought Luna Classic. And this account is also in Binance. I plan to leave it for at least for years, but at least after checking, I discovered that Luna Classic have literally dropped by over 700%. My money dropped by about 700%, which is not really good for Luna Classic LLC. And if you ask me, I think if nothing is done, definitely it is going to be over for Luna, and it's going to be over for me. But even though I didn't withdraw the many amount that I saw there, because it's just a small amount. Actually, when I bought this Luna, I plan to leave it for more than 3-4 years. But seeing the balance that I have, seeing my balance, I was like, what will I do with it? Let me just leave it, because anything can happen. Imagine me withdrawing the little amount that I have there, and next few months, Luna started pumping back, or Luna started hitting 1 cent. I definitely regret it. I would definitely regret withdrawing all my money from Luna. And not that it's the kind of money that I would like, let me just withdraw this amount. This is just a small amount of money. So what do I need it for? I just have to leave it there. But I still hope that everything will turn around for Luna Classic. Imagine Luna at 1 cent. I'll definitely be the first person to be smiling, because I know I must have earned a lot of profit from Luna Classic LLC. But apart from that, I'm still going to buy so many crypto coins. I want to invest in crypto. Yes, I'm going to invest more into crypto industry. Yes, I plan to buy more different coins. I want to invest in coins that I can live for the next 3 to 5 years. These are what I'm targeting right now. Okay, I want to hold on into buying coins that I will be trading every week, every month. But right now, I want to focus on investing on crypto exchanges that I might live for a very long period of time. So I want to leave these coins for a very long period of time. But please remember, this is not a financial advice. Once again, thank you for stopping by.